Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for a new card challenge. Since I love using card sketches, I decided it was time for another sketch challenge. This time we're using Mojo Monday sketch number 539. I'm using some leftovers of Love from Lizi's April 2020 card kit. And this kit is actually still available. Lizi had found a few extras, so if you are interested, I will have a link provided in the description box. It's a beautiful kit. I love all the color combinations and ephemera pieces that are included. So here is the sketch we're going to be using. Julie, who designs the Mojo Monday sketches, provides the measurements, so that makes it really easy. You don't have to follow this sketch exactly. You can simply use it for inspiration. I will have a link for this sketch in the description box, and I'll also have it pictured over on my blog, and that link is also down in the description box below. For my card, I'm using this beautiful floral paper for the background, and I did a double matted layer. I used a dark green cardstock and then also some specialty gold mirror cardstock. For the little strip that goes across the card, this is a off-white pearlescent paper. And the specialty papers are all leftovers from some of Love from Lizi kits. Before adhering that strip to the card, I did add some foam dimension just on the parts that go off of that polka dot paper. I like to keep everything nice and even. I'm using some tone-on-tone pink pattern paper for that banner in the upper left-hand corner. And for my card, I am following this sketch very closely. I'm going to add just that little scrap of cardstock to the top of this banner, just again keeping everything nice and even. I'll go ahead and put my card front onto a card base. I love that extra shine that mirror paper adds to the card. And then I have to add a little more sparkle, so I'm using some Love from Lizi peel-offs. I'm just putting one on either side of this off-white pearlescent paper. And I'm using the clear gold mirror peel-offs. I love these. They're so pretty. It has clear in the center and then just gold foil on the edges. So now I can start working on the image and the sentiment. I cut out the stitched circle die cut from another one of the pattern papers included in the kit and then just layered that in some green cardstock. And that scallop circle I did cut out of that background piece since I only had a little bit of this green color left. This is a great way to stretch some of your supplies. I could have also cut a circle or another shape out of that gold mirror paper, but I don't want to take too many pieces out of the background because there will be that noticeable dip on the front of the card. Before adhering this circle die cut to the card, I wanted to make sure that all of those layers were even. So I was adding some foam dimension on the back side just where it needed that little extra lift. And now I'm going to add one of the ephemera pieces, a little envelope with some beautiful flowers coming out of it. And then for the sentiment, I'm using one of the stickers that's included in the kit. This is You're Lovely, You Are. I thought this would be a nice card to send to someone who needs a little extra encouragement. I was just trying to figure out the placement for the sentiment. And then I'm going to add a foam square just on the right hand side where it goes off of that circle. For embellishments on this card, I'm using some wooden bling. This was included in one of Love from Lizi's kits. I don't remember which one it was since I took it out of that package, but I love these. They're so pretty, and you could easily decorate them as well, but I like the look of them just with that plain wood. And now just add a little strip of the pattern paper on the inside of the card just for some extra decoration. And then I'm using some Nuvo Shimmer pen onto the flowers and the leaves for that extra touch of sparkle. And there is my finished card using Mojo Monday sketch number 539. If you'd like to play along with my card challenge, you can head over to my Instagram or my Facebook page. I'm over at The Best Things in Life Are Pink. I will have links to both of my social media pages in the description box below. If you do share on Instagram, be sure to use the hashtag kristiescardchallenge. And you can also enter your card on Mojo Monday's blog. I believe the challenge still goes for another week and a half. But if you're just entering on my pages, there is no time frame. Just play along when you have a chance. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.